Hello, local business owners. Today we'll dive into the transformative world of retargeting local website traffic. Ever wondered how to re-engage those visitors who showed interest but didn't take any action? We found the answer by entering the realm of retargeting. While pay-per-click advertising has its merits, retargeting offers a unique advantage. It's about rekindling connections with folks who've already shown interest but have not taken action. Data states that retargeted ads can skyrocket branded searches by an astounding 1,046% and elevate site visits by 726% in just a month. The beauty, you're not paying per click but for the ad space, ensuring a more predictable marketing budget. But it's not solely about savings. Retargeting amplifies your brand's presence, keeping you top of mind even without immediate clicks. And with precision targeting, your ads align perfectly with the interests of your audience. Embrace retargeting as your powerhouse strategy, or driving more traffic, enhancing brand visibility, and supercharging sales. Then your local business will be poised for unparalleled success with retargeting local website traffic.
Now, for those eager to boost their local brand, driving more traffic to their site, and ultimately boosting their sales, click the link below to attend our free online workshop, Paid Traffic Made Easy. Thanks for watching. We're here to steer your voyage towards a strong local brand and achieving outstanding marketing success.